Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve a PASCAT question based upon geometry. We'll look into some properties of a circle. The question is, a punching machine is used to punch a circular hole of diameter 2 units from a square sheet of aluminium of width 2 units. So we have been given a square sheet over here. From that we are punching a circular hole. It has diameter 2 units. And the dimensions of this aluminium sheet, it is 2 cross. So that means width of 2 units. As shown below. So the figure has been shown below. The hole is punched such that the circular hole touches one corner P of the square sheet and the diameter of the hole originating at P is in line with the diagonal of the square. So we can see that this circular hole, it is touching one corner of the square sheet. That corner has been named as P, and diameter of this hole originating at P is in line with the diagonal of the square. So we can see that this is the diagonal of the square. This will also be considered as the diameter of this hole till here, till this point. So let me call this point as A. The question here is the proportion of the sheet area that remains after punching. So proportion, that means we'll find out the sheet area that remains after punching upon total area. That is what we need to find out. Now we know that the diameter of this circular hole, it was 2 units. So I'll take the center over here. This will be 1, this will be 1, this will be the radius. Now if I join these 2 points over here, it will pass through the center. Why? Few days ago we solved a question based upon circle, in which I told you a property that if we have a circle and if we have the diameter, then the angle formed by this diameter anywhere on the boundary of the circle, it will be 90. So this angle will be 90, this angle will also be 90. This is the theorem we used few days ago. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So here also we can see that this angle is 90 degree because we were given a square over here. So this will be 90 degree. Hence we can say that this CD, I'll name these points as CD. CD will be the diameter of this circle. I hope this is understood. Now if this is the diameter CD, then this will be 1. Let me call this point O. So CO and OD will also be 1. We need to find out the sheet area that remains after punching. So after punching, we will lose how much area? All this area, this quarter circle, then this triangle and this triangle, this much area will be lost. Only this area shaded in green, it would remain, right? So this would remain. So we need to find out the green area and then we'll divide it by the total area of the aluminium sheet. So let us try to find out the area of the red region. Now in this red region, I can see that I have 2 quarter circles, this circle and this quarter circle. These are 2 quarter circles. Quarter circles, that means 1/4 of the area of circle. Why these are quarter circles? We can see that this side of the triangle POC, it is 1. This side of the triangle POC, it is 1. Hence both the angles PCO, this one and this one, it would be 45 degree each. And we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So this is 45, this is 45. Angle POC, it would be 90. So that is why all these angles will be 90 degree. Now we can easily find out the area of this semicircle CAD. So area of semicircle is half pi r square. So half pi r square. R is 1. So 1. So pi by 2 will be the area of the semicircle. Okay. Now we need to find out the area of this triangle PCD. So for triangle PCD, we know the base CD and height PO. Hence area of triangle PCD, it would be half. Base is CD, which is 2, into height, it is 1. So 1 will be the area of this triangle PCD. So total area that will be removed, that means sum of these two areas, it will be pi by 2 plus 1. We need to find out the sheet area that remains. So earlier the sheet area was 4 because the aluminum is of width 2 units. And it is a square, so area of square is side square. 2 square gives us 4. 4 minus pi by 2 plus 1, this would give us the area that remains. Okay. So this is equal to, when you solve this, you will get 6 minus pi by 2. So I know the area that remains. I need to find out the proportion. Proportion means remaining upon total. So remaining is 6 minus pi by 2 upon 4. So this would give us 6 minus pi by 8. Option B will be the correct answer here. So only one theorem was required here. If you know that theorem, you can even solve this question within 1 to 2 minutes. I hope the explanation here was clear. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.